Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your drawing tablet on PC. First, connect your tablet to your computer using the USB cable it came with. This establishes the physical link. Next, visit your tablet's manufacturer website to download the most current drivers. Installing these is crucial for proper function. Once the drivers are installed, a quick restart of your computer will finalize the setup, ensuring everything is ready to go. After downloading, locate the driver file and run the installer. It's usually a straightforward process, just follow the instructions. Once installed, open your tablet's control panel or settings. Here, you can personalize your experience. Customize the buttons on your pen and tablet, and importantly, adjust the pen pressure sensitivity. This allows you to achieve the precise line variations you desire, making your drawing feel natural. Hey everyone, quick break here. If you're finding this guide helpful for setting up your drawing tablet, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like. It really helps the channel. On another note, if you're spending hours at your desk creating amazing art, you deserve comfortable feet. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're seriously the best. You can find a link to them and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now it's time to test your setup. Launch your favorite drawing software, like Photoshop or Krita. Try drawing some lines to check the pen's movement and pressure sensitivity. Ensure the software recognizes your tablet and that all features are working as expected. You may also need to calibrate your tablet's work area within its settings to ensure the cursor accurately reflects your pen's position on screen, especially with multiple monitors. Sometimes, you might encounter a few bumps. If your tablet isn't responding, try unplugging and replugging the USB cable, perhaps into a different port. Reinstalling the drivers can also resolve many problems. Always keep your computer's operating system updated, as this can prevent compatibility issues. If you're still stuck, your tablet's manual or the manufacturer's online support resources are excellent places to find specific solutions.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.